At Neighborhood Windows and Doors, we believe in quality products, professional service, and total transparency. You should know exactly what to expect from us, every step of the way. We start by providing a complimentary quote, where our team assesses your needs and offers a cost estimate for the project. One of our certified window consultants would love to help you choose the right product for your specific requirements. We then proceed with custom manufacturing. This means the windows and doors are made to your exact measurements, ensuring a perfect fit for your home. Our team of experts handles the installation. Despite what other companies may tell you, installing windows and doors is not a simple task, but rather major construction. That's why we stand behind our work and offer great warranties to back it up. These are just a few of the ways that Neighborhood Windows and Doors goes above and beyond every day. Find out what they can do for you.
No one takes care of you like a neighbor. Call to get a free estimate today.